Islam is not just a religion, it is a school where we learn valuable lessons. Dunya, this world, is our classroom where we must strive to excel. The Quran is our syllabus, guiding us on the path to success. Ramzan is a test, a time for us to prove our dedication and commitment. Namaz is our practical, where we put our knowledge into action. Muhammad, peace be upon him, is our beloved teacher. Torah Chaki, answer showing us the way with his wisdom and teachings. Zakat is our investment, a way to purify our wealth and help those in need. Qiyamah is the day of results, when our efforts will be accounted for. But let us not forget, Allah is the ultimate examiner. He sees and knows all, so let us strive to achieve the first position in this school of life. Let us put our faith into action, following the teachings of Islam and seeking the pleasure of Allah.